Hey guys, Funky Kev here, and we are back with another update of my Xray build. So now I've actually got it all on the chassis. I've got my side skirts kind of thing. I've mounted my center diff. All my back's done, as you can see. So I've just still got me arms to go from there over to here, which I've just got to do. But apart from that, I'm ready for when I eventually get me motor and ESC and everything. Then I can start putting all that in, and then I will let you know when I start doing my body, ready to paint it and that. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, leave a comment, and I will see you all next time.